Welcome you all in the lecture number 8, examples on Frobenius method and on case number 1. So what is case number 1? Roots are distinct and not differing by an integer. So first question is find solution in generalized series form about x is equal to 0 of the differential equation 3x d2y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Now first we find out p0, p1 and p2 and check that whether it is a regular singular point or not. If it is regular singular point, then only we can use Frobenius method. So p0 of x is equal to 3x. p1 of x is coefficient of dy by dx which is 2 and p2 of x is coefficient of y which is 1. So p0 of x, put x is equal to 0 here. p0 of 0 is equal to 3 into 0 which is 0. Now if it is 0, we can say that this x is equal to 0 is a singular point. Now we check whether it is regular or irregular. So to check regular or irregular, first point is limit x tending to 0, x into p1 of x by p0 of x is equal to limit x tending to 0, x multiplied by p1 of x is 2, p0 of x is 3x. So it is equal to 2 by 3. Then limit x tending to 0, x square into p2 of x by p0 of x which is equal to limit x tending to 0, x square multiplied by 1 upon 3x which is equal to limit x tending to 0, x get cancelled, remaining is x by 3. And if we put x is equal to 0 here, it is 0 which is finite. So both the terms are finite. Therefore, x is equal to 0 is called as regular singular point. Now, if it is regular singular ordinary point, then we get power series solution. If it is a regular singular point, then we get Frobenius method solution. So, Frobenius series solution is y is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power m plus k. Now, it is equal to, it can be written as this x to the power m we can take outside because summation is for k. So x to the power m outside, k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power k. If we expand it, we get x to the power m a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and so on. So this is extra term in Frobenius method which is x to the power m. Now we want dy by dx also and d2y by dx square. So dy by dx is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to infinity. Now here remember, here summation start from 0 because every term, every constant term is multiplied by x to the power m. So if we find out derivative of this, it is a0 m into x to the power m minus 1 plus a1 m plus 1 into x to the power m plus 1 minus 1, then a2 x to the power m plus 2 into x to the power m plus 2 minus 1. So like that you will get in each and every term you have a power of x. So that's why a0 is not 0, a1 is not 0, a2 is not 0. In power series method, first a0 becomes 0, that's why summation start from 1. In d2y by dx square, a1 becomes 0, so summation start from 2. But here summation starts from a0, a1, a2 and so on. That's why it is k is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 to infinity. M plus k is the derivative of this m plus k into x to the power m plus k minus 1, ak remain as it is. Then d2y by dx square is m plus k into derivative of this x to the power m plus k minus 1 is m plus k minus 1 into ak x to the power m plus k minus 2. Now, substituting this y dy by dx and d2y by dx square in given differential equation. So it become 3x summation k is equal to 0 to infinity m plus k minus 1 ak x to the power m plus k minus 2 plus 2 times summation k is equal to 0 to infinity m plus k ak x to the power m plus k minus 1. Then next plus y. So plus summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power m plus k. It is equal to 0. Now simplify this, multiply this x to the power m plus k minus 2 multiplied by x, it become m plus k minus 1. Then here no x term, so it remains as it is and third term is also remains as it is. So this is summation k is equal to 0 to infinity 3 ak m plus k n plus k minus 1 x to the power m plus k minus 1 plus 2 times ak m plus k x to the power m plus k minus 1 second and third term as it is. Next, summation k is equal to 0 to infinity. Combine both the power first and second term because power is same. If power is same, summation start from same value. So we can combine both the term, that is 3 times m plus k minus 1 plus 2 times m plus k multiplied by ak is common in both multiplied by x to the power m plus k minus 1 plus summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power m plus k, it is equal to 0. Now here we already m term is present here, so we cannot replace k in terms of m. So I have keep this term as it is, only we are focusing here on power. First power is m plus k minus 1 and second power is m plus k. So we want to convert both the power same. So to convert same, we replace in first bracket k by k plus 1. So summation k start from k plus 1 is equal to 0 to infinity 3 times k m plus k plus 1 plus into m plus k plus 1 minus 1, it is m plus k plus 2 times m plus k plus 1 multiplied by a of k plus 1 x to the power m plus k plus 1 minus 1 become m plus k plus summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power m plus k is equal to 0. So this is summation k plus 1 is equal to 0 means k is equal to minus 1 to infinity. M plus k plus 1 is common in both. So I have taken it common, m plus k plus 1. What will be the remaining term? 3m. 3 into m plus k plus 2. 3 into m plus k is 3m plus 3k plus 2 into ak plus 1 x to the power m plus k plus summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power m plus k. Now observe it, x to the power m plus k, both the powers are same. So k is equal to minus 1 to infinity m plus k plus 1. This is k plus 1. m plus k plus 1, 3m plus 3k plus 2, ak plus 1, x to the power m plus k plus summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power m plus k is equal to 0. Now both the power are same. Now we are focusing on summation. Summation start from k is equal to minus 1 and here start from 0. So we can convert this k is equal to minus 1 in terms of k is equal to 0. So for that we have to substitute here first k is equal to minus 1. So substitute k is equal to minus 1 in given summation. It is m plus k plus 1 is first term. So k is equal to minus 1, it become m multiplied by 3m, k is minus 1, so minus 3 plus 2 a 0 x to the power m minus 1 plus next term can be written as k is equal to 0 to infinity m plus k plus 1, then 3m plus 3k plus 2 multiplied by ak plus 1 multiplied by x to the power m plus k plus summation k is equal to 0 to infinity ak x to the power m plus k is equal to 0. Now simplify it. It is m plus m multiplied by 3m minus 1 a0 x to the power m minus 1 plus summation, both the summations start from k is equal to 0 to infinity. So we combine the coefficients m plus k plus 1 multiplied by 3m plus 3k plus 2 a of k plus 1 plus ak multiplied by x to the power m plus k it is equal to 0. Now equate coefficient of x power equal to 0. Now here x to the power m minus 1 power on right hand side, it is not present, means its coefficient is equal to 0. So m into 3m minus 1 multiplied by a0 is equal to 0. Next equation we get m plus 1 m plus k plus 1 multiplied by 3m plus 3k plus 2 ak plus 1 plus ak, it is equal to 0. Its coefficient is equal to 0. Now see, here summation start from k is equal to 0. So we will substitute k is equal to 0 here. It is k ak plus 1 equal to minus of ak divided by m plus k plus 1 multiplied by 3m plus 3k plus 2. So this is ak plus 1. Now if you observe it carefully, if we put k is equal to 0, we get k1 in terms of a0. If we put k is equal to 2, a2 in terms of a1, a3 in terms of a2. So like that we get all the terms in terms of a0. So that's why here a0 is not equal to 0. If a0 is not equal to 0, m multiplied by 3m minus 1 is equal to 0. And this is nothing but the indicial equation. This is called as indicial equation, the equation which is in m. Now equate it to 0, so we get two values, m is equal to 0 and m is equal to 1 by 3. Now these are the two roots for m. On the basis of this, case 1, case 2, case 3 and case 4 are there. So what are the roots? Roots are real and distinct. Roots are distinct and it is not differing by an integer, because 1 by 3 minus 0 is 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 is not an integer. So it is not differing by an integer. So this here we use case number 1. Case number 1 is, solution is y is equal to c1 into y at m is equal to 0 plus c2 into y at m is equal to 1 by 3. So first of all we find out a2, a3, a4. So put k is equal to 0 first. a1 is equal to minus of a0 divided by k is equal to 0. So m plus 1 multiplied by 3m plus 2. Now a1 in terms of a0 we get, but we don't know value of a0, so we keep it as it is. Then k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1, we get a2 is equal to minus of a1 divided by m plus 2 multiplied by 3m plus 5. You can substitute here k value 1, you will get 3 plus 2 is 5. Next, a1 value we know, so substitute this value here, minus of a0, so it become plus a0 divided by m plus 1, m plus 2, then 3m plus 2, 3m plus 5. 3m plus 2 and 3m plus 5. 3m plus 5. So this is the value of a2. Similarly, we find out a3, k is equal to 3. So a3, it is equal to minus of a2 divided by minus a2 by m plus 3 into 3m plus 8. 3m plus 8, which is equal to minus of a0 divided by minus of a0, it become minus of a0 because a2 value is plus. So a2 value is minus of a0 divided by m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3 multiplied by 3m plus 5, 3m plus 2 and 3m plus 8. 3m plus 8. So this is the value of a3. Similarly, you can find out k is equal to 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now, first we put for k is m values. So m is equal to, m have two values. First value is m is equal to 0 and another value is m is equal to 1 by 3. Now substitute these values in given a1, a2, a3 and so on. So first, if m is equal to 0, what happen? What is the value of a1? a1 is equal to, if m is equal to 0, a1 become minus of a0 by 2, because we put value here m is equal to 0. M is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 3m, 0 plus 2, so it is 2 minus of a0 divided by 2. Then m is equal to 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 5, 5 into 2 is 10. So minus of a1 by 10, minus of a1 by 10 is it is minus of a0 by 2. Substituting value you will get a2. Similarly for a3. So we find out values, a1 is minus a0 by 2, then a2 is equal to a0 by 20, then a3 is equal to minus of a0 by 480 and so on. You can find out so many values. Now m is equal to 1 by 3. a1 value we obtained minus of, similarly we put m is equal to 1 by 3. So a1 we obtained minus of a0 by 4. Then a2 is equal to a0 by 56. Then a3 is equal to minus of a0 divided by 1680. You can check values by substituting. I am writing here directly because it takes so much time. You can substitute and check that your values are correct or wrong. Now we got this a1, a2 and a3. Now what is the solution? Solution of differential equation is complete solution. Complete solution can be written as y is equal to c1 multiplied by y at m is equal to 0 plus c2 multiplied by y at m is equal to 1 by 3. Now we can denote this c1 into y1 plus c2 into y2. This is our y. Now we want this solution. So to get this solution, what is y? Y is equal to x to the power m in bracket a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube and so on. This is our solution, series solution. So y is equal to, if we want to find out y1 is nothing but y at m is equal to 0. Put here y at m is equal to 0 means x to the power 0. a0 is equal to a0, we don't know a0 value, so we keep it as it is. a1 is minus of a0 by 2 into x, a2 is plus a0 by 20 into x square, a3 is minus of a0 by 480 into x cube and so on. So what is y1? y1 is equal to x to the power 0 is 1. So it is a0 we can take outside, 1 minus x by 2 plus x square by 20 minus x cube by 480 and so on. So this is our y1. Give this as equation number 1 and give this as equation number 2. This is y1, which is nothing but y at m is equal to 0. Now to find out y2 is equal to y at m is equal to 1 by 3. So again solution is x to the power m. X to the power m means x to the power 1 by 3 in bracket a0 plus a1x. What is the value of a1? a1 value is minus of a0 by 4. So this is a0 minus a0 by 4 into x plus a0 by 56 into x square plus a3 minus a0 by 1680 into x to the power 3 and so on. So this is our y2. After substituting values, we can take again a0 common. So a0 outside, x to the power 1 by 3 in bracket 1 minus x by 4 plus x square by 56 minus x cube divided by 1680 and so on. So this is the solution for y2. Now substituting this y1 and y2, this is equation number 3. Put equation number 2 and 3 in equation 1. So if we substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1, y is equal to c1 multiplied by y1 plus c2 multiplied by y2. So c1 multiplied by a0, 1 minus x by 2 plus x square by 20 minus x cube by 480 and so on, plus c2 multiplied by, again it is a0 x to the power 1 by 3 in bracket 1 minus x by 4 plus x square by 56 minus x cube by 1680 and so on. Now here we have two constants, c1 into a0 and c2 into a0. So we can denote it by another constant because both are constants. So we can denote it by a times 1 minus x by 2 plus x square by 20 minus x cube by 480 plus and so on, plus b multiplied by x to the power 1 by 3. Only for constant we can denote another constant, not for x. So x to the power 1 by 3 as it is, 1 minus x by 4 plus x square by 20 minus x to the power 3 by 1680 and so on. So this is the final solution where a can be written as c1 multiplied by a0 and b can be written as c2 multiplied by a0. So these are the constants we have denoted. So this is the series solution of a given differential equation. Thank you.